How to parallel park. This video will explain how to parallel park, going over the various steps necessary and some tips and tricks to make the whole process easier. Finding a good spot to park in is most of the battle. The first step is to find a spot that is big enough for your vehicle. A good example of this is seen in Figure 1. Once you have found a spot that seems big enough for your vehicle, you must check signage to ensure that you can actually park there. An example of such a sign in DC is shown in Figure 2. Now that we have a suitable spot, it is time to set up your vehicle to park. There are two major steps to this. The first is to perform an in-swing. Figure 3 shows the beginning parts of this. You should enter the spot from behind and pull about halfway in before turning back out towards the street. From there, you should pull forward until you have lined up your vehicle with the front of the spot, as shown in Figure 4. Now set up, you can begin to reverse your vehicle into the spot. It is crucial to go slowly when doing this part of the parking experience to ensure that you do not hit anything bordering the spot. In order to reverse the car, it is important to first put the car into reverse. Next, turn the wheel so that the car reverses towards the curb. Reverse slowly until about halfway into the spot, as shown in Figure 5. Once halfway, cut the wheel back towards the street and continue to reverse until in the back of the spot, as seen in Figure 6. The reversing part is now done, and you can return the wheel to normal. In order to wrap up the parking job, you'll need to clean up your attempt. This requires you to shift to forward drive and move forward in the spot until the car is straightened. Figure 7 is a good example of this. Next, you should check the curb, like in Figure 8, to ensure that the car is close enough to the curb to ensure that you are not sticking out into the street. The final step is the most important one. Repeat everything from setting up the car to park until cleaning up the parking job as needed. Parallel parking is not something that always works on the first try, so it is often necessary to do it in small steps or even restart completely. There are a few tips and tricks that can make this experience easier for you. The first is to use a backup camera if you have one, or angle your side mirror down on the side of the curb. This helps you see exactly where you are in the spot. Always being willing to restart is a crucial step. This can be a frustrating experience if you continue to try a parking job that is not set up well, or if you make a small mistake. Pushing in the street side mirror, like in Figure 9, ensures that it will not be hit by passing cars. Finally, you'll likely have to practice a lot to get the hang of it. Good luck.